Hello, Mr. Ramakrishna, this is natural. So here 1% there might not be any answer basically for this basically. So there might be some starting point basically where the data basically might be connecting basically. But 1% told that basically satellite group basically have the answer basically because they have to track each and every point basically. If they will not track, the universe will get into trouble basically. So they have to track basically. Earth planet basically are also supposed to track basically. Otherwise, basically, if everything basically they will leave to satellite group basically. One day basically they will say that basically we don't need you. We are finishing this generation basically. That possibilities are more basic. That's why basically Chinese group, Japanese group basically are doing lots of hard work basically. American groups are there, Iranian group basically are there, Dubai groups basically are there. They do lots of hard work basically because they know that basically one day satellite group will tell we don't need basically your generation. You can exit basically. You can exit means you can leave this world basically. Leave this world means they will wash out the world basically. So that possibilities are more basically nowadays basically. So that possibility is supposed to be ignored by the satellite group basically. For that basically the hard work basically has to be done basically. One person basically is not getting the job basically. So he will keeps on applying basically. He have to do the hard work, no, basically. Otherwise one day basically the company will say that basically sorry basically we don't have any vacancy basically. But keeps on applying basically. One day basically will come basically that you will get the job basically. So exact same way basically the earth planet people basically are doing the hard work basically. So that basically in future basically satellite group are not supposed to say we are basically winding this world basically. That means this generation basically is ended basically. Next generation will not happen basically. So that possibilities are less. That possibilities are 50-50 basically you can say basically. 50-50 basically is the thing. So next video say.